Clue is at it again, barking at something. Kula, shut up. She's always got to be so nosy back here. Hey, look. What are you doing? Are you getting it? There's another one. Here's the big ball. I got him this ball, like his other one, and he doesn't hardly ever play with this one. See? They like the little balls. That's what Miss Kaluli's got over here. What you doing, Mama Dog? Taking it easy? Huh? And Windsor's got a ball, and he likes to dig in the dirt so he stays cool. That's his hiding spot. What are you doing? Oh, you're digging a hole, aren't ya? You got that ball in your spot, don't ya? Yes, you do. Are you gonna mark it? No? All right. Are you listening to the birds?